What's up, guys? Back again today for our daily pack opening. Got another Ancient Guardians we'll open up. I do like the different cover arts on each of those. So, all right, first up, we've got Earth's Arctic Mega Polar. Here is Earth's Arctic Mega Bills. We got Viper's Rebirth. Ogdoadic Origin. Wavering Eyes. Damage Eagles Reptile. And here is our super with Curse the Ogdoadic Light. So there you have it, guys. There's our daily pack opening for today. As always, I will leave prices in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.